Key West.
Blackwater Sound, and Buttonwood Sound until 8 p.m. At 7:33 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Crocodile Dragover, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, National Weather Service meteorologist. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Locations in the warning include Buttonwood Sound, Dusenberry Creek, Grouper Creek, Tarpon Basin, Blackwater Sound, North Ness Key, and Twisty Mile. Boaters should seek safe harbor as quickly and as safely as possible. When downpours reduce visibility, slow down. Now for the official